Additional course B1 P15A. Sketch, rotate, extrude. Datum planes. Pattern features. In this additional course, several previous courses are summarized once again. Here, the slot represents a typical problem for positioning features on curved surfaces. And as in practice, the part still has to be adapted to two customer requirements. Create base body. The sketch defines the rough outline of the shaft. Only in exceptional cases are curves and chamfers defined in the sketch. It is better to create them as separate features. In this way, subsequent changes can be implemented much more quickly. The positioning in X direction can basically be done freely. But maybe this side of the flange will be bolted and thus this line will be aligned to the horizontal sketch axis. Practical tip: since the first dimension scales the sketch, this should dimension a distance as long as possible. Create hole. The first point of the hole can be set to the horizontal sketch axis with the snap option point on curve. Now only one dimension is missing. Pattern hole. For the circular pattern, the count and span option is a real good choice. Center hole. The center hole can be created with the custom hole. Slot. To position the sketch for the slot, a datum plane must have been constructed first. Now the sketch can be positioned. Changes. Did everything work? But the next change is already imminent. One of the holes is to be moved by 5 degrees to prevent twisting. And now all the holes are to be chamfered from both sides.